In this tutorial, I'll show you how to connect any Insightful Pipe MCP server to Gemini CLI. First, make sure you have Gemini CLI installed on your machine. You can install it using npm install-g at google/gemini-cli. Next, copy the MCP add command from the connection guide. This command registers the MCP server with your Gemini CLI. Now let's open a terminal. I'll use VS Code's integrated terminal for this demo. I'll paste the command and press enter. The MCP server has been added to the project settings. Now let's launch Gemini CLI. I'll type Gemini to start the CLI. To verify the MCP server is configured correctly, I'll use the /mcp command. You can see the Facebook Ads MCP server is ready with 3 tools available: Prompts menu, Query context, and Query data. Now let's authenticate. I'll type /mcp auth followed by the server name. This opens a browser window for OAuth authentication. I'll click Authorize Access to grant the necessary permissions. Authentication successful. You can close this window and return to Gemini CLI. Back in the terminal, we can see the MCP server is now successfully authenticated and ready to use.